afternoon, YouTubers. Today I've got an update for you with our new exhaust system installed on the Yellow Gold Formula 350. And I shouldn't say entire exhaust system. What we've got here is the rear muffler assembly and the pipes, the Dynaflow system that I bought for it. And as you can see, it went in here pretty easily. Nothing too complex. Like I said, I've used that original main outlet pipe. I really need to replace this because that bracket, as you can see, was broken and tied in there, but everything went in there pretty easy, fairly straight. Pipes are not too difficult to get in place on these cars. Like I said, most everything on this car is fairly low stress. As you can see if she'll crank for me so I can show you how it sounds real quick. And of course there's that fuel issue we've been talking about that we're gonna have to fix. And if it'll start for me, we'll see here, give it a second. There we go. Yeah, definitely gonna have to tear this intake system apart on this car. But as you can hear, there's the exhaust. This is a Dynomax Super Turbo. For some reason I've got a rattle. It sounds like inside the muffler, which is kind of aggravating, but it's all tight, as you can see, but something in there is rattling a little bit, so I'll have to investigate a little bit further. But that's basically what it sounds like when it's installed. Nothing too loud, you know, just a good stock sound, you know, just enough so you can hear it. So what I'll be doing for right now is putting this car up for a little while. We've driven the Yellow Gold about 1,000 miles on the road trip. Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and tear the top end of the intake apart to fix those fuel injectors and some other stuff. In the meantime, I'll introduce you to another car I've just picked up for fun. Another broken toy. I'll give you a teaser. This is also a Formula 350. This is a 91 model, and I'll be giving you a little more information on this one in the next couple days as I get situated with it. This is a Formula 350 as well, 91 model. Very few of these made. I think on the Formula 350 side, probably about 1,200 cars. So it's not a very common car to come across. So what I'll do is get back, take an inventory of this car and what it needs and what attention it's going to need on it to get it back into fighting shape.